Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to add your RedotPay virtual card to Google Pay. Start by opening the Google Wallet app on your phone. Tap the plus button in the bottom right corner and select Payment Card. After a moment, you'll see the page to add your card. You can either scan your RedotPay card or enter the details manually. If you choose manual entry, carefully fill in your card number, expiration date, CVV/security code, cardholder name, country, street address, city, and postal code. Once everything is complete, tap Save and Continue. That's it, your RedotPay virtual card is now added to Google Pay. This process is fast, secure, and works smoothly for most users. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more handy tech tips and guides.